Dash camera for Porsche Cayenne Panamera Macan Taycan Cayman 911 Turbo 718 Boxster Fitcamx DVR Dashcam. Plug and play. No damage to install. Various ways to take power. Model A takes power from rainfall sensor. Model B and Model C take power from overhead console panel. Easy to install. Just remove the original back cover and replace it with our dashcam, and it takes a short time to install. Perfect fit. 1 Restore the shape of the original car rearview mirror cover. Low-key fashion style. Perfectly fit your car like the original car accessories. 4K UHD high resolution. UHD 4K video combined with advanced Novatech chip plus f1.6 big aperture lens. Fitcamx Dashcam. Delivers clearer videos up to 2160p resolution. The CMOS sensor can enhance the image performance in every aspect, reappear more driving details. Superior night vision. Equipped with wide dynamic range technology. The video will be displayed in the best condition. Every detail of the video looks amazing. This dashcam can capture every vivid moment clearly even at night, such as license plates and road signs. Loop recording and G-sensor. Seamless loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest footage with new content when memory card is full, while G-sensor can detect a sudden collision, save the relevant footage and lock it to file, keeping you away from disputes. Comparison of different options. 4K front only, 2K front and 1080p rear. 4K front and 1080p rear. Model A doesn't need to wire a fuse box to get park mode. Rain sensor power can also provide park mode. What's in the box? Dash cam, memory card, front cam cable, removal pry tool, user manual, 1080p 360 degrees rotation rear camera for 2K dual cam 64GB and 4K dual cam 128GB. Mounts on the rear windshield or facing the cabin.